JDCat26 here, just do tips and hobbies. And here are the tools we're going to use to assemble the bench. And we have a flat nose screwdriver right there. We have a Phillips head next to it. We have a Phillips head and flat nose for the drill. And we have a adjustable gator socket. We will be using a regular socket with another wrench, which I have over here, to tighten up just in case the gator socket does not tighten it all the way. I think it will, but we'll see. So stay tuned for the assembly. That's next. Bench is here and the cat's checking it out and he is inspecting it. I'm going to open it up. Well, guys, it took some doing, but the bench is all together. I don't think I'll sit on it because I think the capacity is not enough for me. But thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe and have a good day. If you have any questions, let me know.